Ay, Leo ka?
As a legislative. Okay, I guess
Ito
this
tong
is something that we need to
blue.
do. And maybe the majority leader.
Sino, oy?
Yobo man ka.
What the minority leader is
Yobo ka.
talking about. I'm not a lawyer, but as a student of
Okay, wala mo kan?
history,
Ilaw? Ikaw.
the impeachment court is sui generis, a class of its own. And the minority leader a while ago, the Supreme Court decision in the Junior versus Joint Congress, Mr. President, nakakaklaro po doon
Ay,
that
nako.
adjournment does not necessarily affect non-legislative functions. Doon po sa binanggit ng ating kasamahan, Senator Grace po, meron bang rules? Doon po sa rules ng Senado, yung Senate rules as provided in Rule F,
Labi ito.
Section 130,
Labi ka. Binabok na. Labi ito gawas.
the Senate can carry over an impeachment into a subsequent Congress. Kasi na-cite po nito yung
Ayo,
edicts
asan
of
ang gabay?
precedents and the practices. It cited as an example yung impeachment against U.S. District Attorney, etc. etc. So, just to put that on record, Mr. President, and help in the discussion of my dear colleagues. Thank you. Thank you, Majority Leader.
Take two, guys.
Just a point of clarification.
Take two.
There was a rule mentioned
Tara.
pronouncing a carry over. Maybe no, there's a
Dara, dara, matino daw. Ano yan?
Maybe Senator Coco Pimentel.
Hangga day.
Answer the query of the Majority Leader, Mr. Minority Leader.
the exact provision, Mr. President.
This is fried chicken. And here's one from Food Panda with one of the best sauce. That tastes like a good deal.
Ano yan na? Ako ba ako? Ano yan ba? Ano yan? Dari ganito. Dari pagkuhan sa mundo.
Maybe not the exact provision because I've been
Nami.
scrutinizing this for the last several days.
Are you referring to the rules of the Senate? That's what I was mentioned earlier, Mr. President, yung supplementary, Mr. President, yung edicts of precedents and practices. Yung po yung binanggit natin. Which is supplementary to the Senate rules as provided in Rule L, Section 135, Mr. President.
Thank you. Just a quick retort, Mr. President. If with the permission of Senator Grace Poe, still has the floor.
Ay. Hindi kang kaalam.
Just a quick retort. Ano mo, Mr. President? Lagi nababanggit yung
Ay.
i-clarify. Matagal ko nang gusto kong i-clarify kung meron daw mga supreme court decisions na sinasabi pwedeng ituloy
Di na ako kaya
yung non-legislative functions.
Wala episode. Bebla.
Binabanggit
Wala
yung
episode.
Pimentel versus independent case, national
Tara,
court
gunting.
officer.
Ikadotang kutsilyo.
Meron pang binabanggit yung
Naigo siya ya.
I think Francisco. Mr. President, let me just clarify this. For the sake of academic and scholarly
Wala episode.
Na.
good atmosphere for law students and members of the bar assembly. Alam niyo po, yung mga binabanggit na non-legislative functions wherein the Supreme Court allowed the continuation way beyond the period
Oh, diha.
or the lifespan of a Congress refers to a periodic periodically created constitutional ad hoc body. Alam niyo po yung National Board of Canvassers, pagkatapos ng isang eleksyon, presidential elections, nakalagay sa ligang batas, created
Parata sa sa imo suka, beboy.
to count and canvass. Ito po
Dalang
claim.
kikikibutang asin.
Ganun din po yung mga ilang tribunals, yung mga electoral tribunals, etc. Periodic, predictable, regular, constitutional.
Di na ni butangan mo kasin kay
Kaya
parat na
po
siya.
tuloy-tuloy yun kasi hindi ko man po ang constitution, merong provision
Episode na.
pertaining to this periodically created advocate is,
Spicy
ang
gid siya.
impeachment
Bisag
trial
walay
act
suka,
po
wala
is
namang
not
suway.
periodic.
Spicy ang
Bravo
sabaw.
yan.
Hindi po ito
Pangalan mo sa
Muhammad.
sabaw. Pangalan mo sa
Muhammad.
sabaw.
Ang
Spicy.
gamay.
Hindi po
Gamay
ito
ra.
regularly created. Ito po ay nagsilis lang pag meron
Ha?
nagsampa ng kaso
Dito na nila,
sangayon po doon sa ating saligang batas that
May
would
piso na.
trigger the words initiate coming from the House of Representatives, the word again of the news, yung forthwith. Kakaiba po yung mga non-legislative bodies na periodically created na sinasabing pwede tumawid. Kaya po ang sinasabi
Bukas-bukas
ko
mo tayo.
lagi,
Buwang.
ang ating pong constitutional clock deadline is June 30.
Awa.
Dahil wala naman po nagsabi na pwede tayong tumawid beyond June 30 as a Congress. Citation concerning the British Parliament. The US Senate. Alam niyo po, yung British Parliament, the last impeachment case was held 1806. Yung po yung sinasite ng
Di sa nilo suka.
US Senate.
Di siya nila suka.
Those
Timplado na ba?
bodies are structurally
So ay daw nga way suka daw.
from the Philippine Senate.
Dala ko pa
Kaya
ma.
hindi po tayo continuing. Pwede sabihin, partially
Para to sa daan.
continuing.
Dan.
We all cite cases with reference to continuing
Suka yung dress to.
body words coming from decision of the Supreme Court interpreting the 1935 Constitution. Ito yung sinabi ko last week.
Wow, kasi-
Na yung 1935 Constitution, ang eleksyon ng senador, 8,
Hindi mo na sa.
16.
O kami
Ganun din po sa
brown
British
ba kay sa
Parliament. Yung House of Lords ay naiiwan because lifetime po sila. Yung life
Lagi ka na,
peers,
kita.
yung hereditary peers,
Silawin nga walay
religious
kuan.
peers, 780
Silawin nga
members
walay
of the British Parliament, yung House of Lords, forever na po yun, kaya continuing po
Namiday?
sila. Yung po yung sinasabi,
Kada nga,
in the
timplado na ba siya?
yung po yung
Dilo,
sinasabi
Asa?
ng US Senate, kasi
Bugol, mga
po,
kanta ba?
ginagawa po
Mauna
nila
siya.
yung US Senate,
Gibutan yung suka.
100
Di ba na
Senate or
ugat mo na?
67
Gago.
naiiwan dahil 33 ang na ini-elect
Ano ba?
every 2 years.
Para
So,
ba tabi?
structurally different po
Ano, ikaw ang ganyan?
Senate under the
Tilawin nga
1987
may suka.
Constitution. Kaya hindi po pwedeng tumawid. Sa mga nakikinig
Plano lang sa daan.
Magkaroon ba mo ng
Para to sa daan.
election of duty release ko ang Senado? Hindi po. Naniniwala po tayo. Sinabi kanina na sinimulan po ni Senate President. Ako nga po
Ay,
kanina. Sa pag-support of the
Ang siya.
institution of this body.
Di lang siya
Para
tao
po
balot.
magkaroon ng semblance of rule, sinabi ko, we can do
Iyo
this in
man yan.
19 days. I filed Senate Resolution 1367 para makita kaya natin gumawa ng trial calendar. Sabi nila, napakabilis yung
Last
19 days.
pila na lang,
Si
nabili.
President Trump na-impeach 5 days. Si President Clinton, maiksi din po yun. So, ibig
Last
sabihin,
one na
Mr.
lang, eh.
President, we can still start the impeachment process.
Balot.
I stick to the constitutional
Asada.
precept that we cannot carry over. We cannot allow a crossover or carry over because it is not part of the Constitution.
Sure
We
up.
can only interpret the word as enshrined in the Constitution.
Sure up.
I'm sorry, as a Congress,
Sure
I've
up.
taken much of your time. I just responded to some queries, statements made a while ago, and just to spread
Natuwa na yung musipon,
before
ay.
we again
Natuwa na yung musipon.
ask the good mind of the leader
Tuod ni mo eh.
perhaps replace his motion.
No, I think it's very
Hinaw dito, hinaw.
important for us to hear all sides with regards to the matter. And what, just to clarify, what the gentleman from Cavite is saying, that sige, dinggin natin ito hanggang 30th ng June, pwede. Huwag lang tayo lalagpas doon sa pagdating ng June. Alright. Okay, ngayon, ito yung tanong ko, yung sa respondent,
Suka.
meron siyang apparently
Kitang
10
suka.
days para sumagot, di ba? Eh, hindi pa napapile, hindi pa,
suka.
napapile na ba sa committee rules dito? So, has she been notified already of what she has to face? And has the 10 days started? Not yet, right?
Not yet.
Okay, so meaning, if let's say
Wala.
we start on the
Dili ko ikaw
11th, which is Wednesday or even tomorrow, which is the 10th, so hindi pa talaga sila pwedeng
No,
humarap
kasi-
hanggang 20th. Kasi 10 days eh.
What's up?
Di ba? So, pwede ba tayo magkaroon ng hearing na yung respondent ay hindi pa ready with their
Oo lang siya.
reply? I mean, is there a process within the impeachment that does not require the
Last.
respondent to be present yet? It's just the presentation of, I don't know, evidence. I mean, this is just a parliamentary query.
Meron po
Gracias.
kasi magko-constitute nga as an impeachment court
Gracias.
at manunumpa. Manunumpa yung
Aphrodite
Senate
Church.
President as the presiding officer of the trial court. Manunumpa rin po lahat tayo.
So hanggang panunumpa na.
Members of the-
How about the presentation
Last.
of evidence? Pwede ba?
Last ball.
Wala pa yung presentation of articles of impeachment to be done by the panel of prosecutors. Yung susunod-sunod, pag nagkaroon na ng joinder of issues, after
Ano
the
manalalay na?
submission of
Saan
the
ka na?
answer, doon na po matitrigger po yung iba, yung prosecution has the right to reply. Tapos sunod-sunod na po yun.
So, ang ibig sabihin, after the swearing in and then reading of the articles of impeachment, may break ng 10 days. Kasi hihintayin pa natin yung sagot eh.
Correct.
Okay, so wala din namang mangyayari. So, what the gentleman is saying na pwede natin to stretch until the end, hindi rin eh. Kasi 10 days na lang din ang matitira from let's say the 10th until the 13th.
Ikaw ulit, di mo na?
Oh.
Last. Ah,
No. Sana bro.
balot.
Yellow na.
Tama ka? Tama rin. Last na ba yan eh?
Iwan mo, be.
Kaya lang magahe eh. Yellow lang. Makaw nang gahe guys?
Oh.
Ikaw na. Uy! Tom!
Ay, sorry. Ako ni Zayn God. Ay, pudul. Pudul.
Nakita mo na.
Zayn God, mukha siya. Ako na. Ah. Okay, okay.
Tay, suka.
Filme.
Mm.
Good.
Sarap di.
Sarap. Ayaw na. Sali lang.
Champion.